If I had $30 million, then I would buy a boat and I would ride on that boat until the boat became the President of the United States of America. And that boat that I bought would probably become the President of the United States of America because I would pay a musical DJ $400 billion to write me a rap song called Vote for the Boat. Vote for the boat. If you don't vote for the boat, then the boat don't float. And if the boat don't float, then the boat didn't get the votes. So vote for the boat. 'Cause if you don't vote for the boat, then you won't float. And if you don't float, then the boat didn't get the votes. But if the boat got the votes, then everybody floats. So vote for the boat. Vote for the boat. And then everybody floats. 'Cause they all voted for the boat. And then my vote got the votes. Or my boat got the votes. And then everybody floated. 'Cause we're all boats. And we all deserve to float. So vote for your own boats. And then we'll all be boats. And we can all float. And then we can all vote for our own floats. So vote for your own boat that can't float. And then when your boat that can't float gets the votes, then it will float. So vote for the boat.